wanted to talk to you about one of 7 long-term visitor areas in Southern California. This one's Pilot Knob. They set up long-term visitor areas for winter campers. This one here is like I said, one of 7. You can stay for $40 for 2 weeks, $180 for the season, and permits, you get them on site, and those permits are good for all 7 of the areas. One of the areas is the sand dunes, Imperial Sand Dunes, just west of this area, and their permits are sold at this chevron, but they don't belong to the same conglomerate there. They're for the sand dunes only. Now this site here is dry camp, but at the chevron you can get water, and you can use the dump station there. There's trash at all these 7 visitor areas. Some of them have their own water and dump stations, but you have to pretty much check into that when you either get there or look ahead. Like we know that Quartzsite has its own water and dump station, bulk toilets. So like I said, you have to kind of check ahead. Now Pilot Knob here, it's right off of Interstate 8, just west of Yuma, about 13 miles. It's a vast area. You can see campers way back in the distance there. And it's a hard surface area for its desert. There's mountain ranges around for scenery, for hiking. So you can check out Pilot Knob or one of the other 6 long-term areas. I'm going to look at the map here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that gives you the long-term visitor areas, and on the bottom tells you what's included there. Thanks for watching.